This newly launched Meizu smartphone not only incorporates a domestically produced chip, but also features an exceptional design crafted by the renowned master Fei. Meizu, may I propose a price point of $799? This is the recently unveiled Meizu Note 16 and Note 16 Pro. Let's begin by examining the standard version. Because Meizu's friends say they are very confident in this phone. Wow, it's like a blast from the past with Nokia. Let's take a look at the accessories first when you take out the phone. There's a USB-C cable and a 40-watt A-port charger. For a budget phone, they included a clear case, which I think no one would complain about. Just take a look at the back, the camera module. Wait until you see the phone, don't be too shocked. Let's gently remove the film. Meizu names this color Crimson Red, and I can't say why, but it instantly reminded me of something. Pursuing the dream with a child's heart, an octagonal camera module, which they call flying or something, crafted by the so-called ordinary master. Notice the gold rim around it with a hidden ring flash inside. This Crimson Red gives off a Danxia City vibe. On the side, there's a gold-colored plastic middle frame. It's worth noting the bottom. Wow, a very advanced 3.5mm headphone jack. The headphone jack is here, and there's also a red accented AI button on the front of the phone. We first use the side fingerprint sensor to access the home screen. Indeed, this is a 1080p 6.78-inch LCD screen, and the bezels are certainly wide, considering it's an entry-level phone. However, what we want to mention is that despite being an entry-level phone, it even has an app refresh rate management feature, allowing you to customize the refresh rate for many apps to either 120 or 60. Or 60. For this budget phone, let's discuss the specs. It has a Unisoc TAT200 Flyme customized version. After all this, I just want to say it's a domestic chip with a long name, performing similarly to the Snapdragon 600 series. Meizu has also reduced animations compared to flagship phones for smoother use. This phone has notable features: 5G and a 6600 mAh big battery. At this price, it's really important. There's also another feature, the side AI button. It supports single and long press actions. For instance, a single press activates its AI assistant. And it is also equipped with the most recent flagship models, but I believe this particular feature is quite practical. Actually, I want to talk about a feature brought by the current keyboard and mouse map.
The key mapping will be demonstrated shortly. You can utilize a key model, which is distinctly indicated on the packaging. However, since you purchased the keyboard, I am unable to display it to you. Consequently, you'll need to observe. The fourth highlight pertains to ColorOS. Whether it is the smoothness or the split screen functionality, simply refer to the phone. The charger that comes with the Note 16 Pro is surprisingly an 80-watt USB-C to USB-C. This is something that even some top-tier devices from other brands haven't achieved. All of these on the tablet. What do you mean by doing Mozhengshan? This course directly created a prototype screen feature and also included a ring of water and ColorOS.